Hey, what's going on, my impossible creators? First, I want to thank you for subscribing to my newsletter. If you're watching this, it's because of that. So, without further ado, let's jump right in. You're going to want to start with copying the prompt that I provided to you for Gemini. And this is going to utilize Gemini's Nano Banana Pro. Now, you see here that I highlighted city, and that's where you're going to drop the city that you want to create a diorama of. So in my case, I chose Bangkok for this tutorial. So drop in whatever city, and now let's jump into Gemini. So this is the prompt that you just saw, except that I've already swapped out city for Bangkok. So you see it highlighted here, and then the second location is right here. Make sure that when you drop the prompt in, that you select image right here where the banana is. So you're gonna initially see it like this without it selected. Go click tools and then create images. That's just Google's image generator, Nano Banana. Then you would paste the prompt in. I've already done that. So you'll send that over and boom, I got this. Love it. Now, the next thing to do is to download it if you're happy with what you got. If not, you can always resubmit your prompt and it'll give you a slightly different variation of the same city. Now we're going to go back to my Word doc so I can show you what's next. What you'll get this, like, I had brackets initially. Let's go back. How did I have it? Boom. That's how I had it. With the X there. That's how you'll see it in my descriptor for the second prompt that you're going to pull, and this would be to feed to ChatGPT. And what we're telling Chat to do here is slightly animate certain elements, but like just really subtly. So for example, write a frame to video prompt. So the boat, I see some boats down there. So the boat, move the boat, and maybe the people in the marketplace. People in the marketplace. I'm assuming that's a marketplace down here. I've never been to Bangkok. I do want to go one day. Move slowly. If it says move or moves, if nothing is perfect here in how you're typing it, ChatGPT is so smart, it will just fix it for us. I did let it know that we're creating this for VO3 and Google Flow. Also, no music, just ambient sound, right? So like the appropriate sounds. Maybe the water kind of moving under the boat, and I'm not sure if it's gonna have some people talking in the background. We'll see what it brings back, but we will now jump to ChatGPT. You'll see it like this. Initially, you're going to want to drag your image over so Chat knows what, like, can refer and look at exactly what you want to bring to life. I've already copied what we just saw on the Word doc, pasted it. Now let's send it. All right, great. We have our full prompt, and it looks like we want to pick it up from here. Overall motion, yep, this looks right. So I'm going to grab all of this, copy, and now we're jumping to our final website. This is Google Flow. So you are going to want to click New Project once you get on the main page. Change text to video, so it's frames to video. And on the right side of that text box, make sure you're on VO 3.1 or whatever the latest one is at the time that you're watching this video. I'm selecting fast because you use less credits for that. I'm using 20 credits on fast. Make sure your output is 1. And because this is a horizontal layout, this is 16 by 9, we're going to change it to 16 by 9. All right, now let's drag our frame to that first plus there. I'm noticing, I'm an art director, so I notice little things like this annoy me where there's a little space up top. So I'm gonna crop that off that looks right. So it's our full image selected. Crop and save. And it'll drop it in there shortly. There we go. Paste, send that through, and let that cook. All right, ladies and gentlemen, here we have our animation. And one last thing, I do want to say a cool thing about the initial prompt where you drop in your city is that the city that you bring to life has the actual day and weather for the moment that you're prompting that. So that's very cool. Right now, Bangkok, the day that I'm creating this video, it's Saturday, December 13th, and it's 90 degrees Fahrenheit in Bangkok. Wow, it's pretty hot there. But anyway, I thought that was pretty cool. Thanks for watching.